I have just received my first Moterm Planner shipped from China to the UK, and we are going to open it together.
So I'm not going to lie, I was super nervous about ordering this. I've never heard of Moterm before until a few months ago, but I'd seen a lot of the planner community sharing these planners, so I thought I'd take a chance. Not only that, I'm packing sick, I was super nervous about ordering from AliExpress because I've never used AliExpress before either. So here is the infamous Moterm box. Let's take the lid off this. Oh. Comes in a nice bag. Oh, it feels floppy inside. Am I going to like this leather? I have no idea what to expect. I've never seen a Moterm before. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh my goodness. This is better than I expected. This is really lovely. The leather, yeah, it has that nice leather smell. It's nice and soft. It is so much better than I was actually expecting. Comes with the fly leaf as well. Oh, I am pleasantly pleased with this. I'm going to do a full video where I share my experience of ordering this planner, because I know as a Brit, ordering things from China always feels a little bit, you feel a little bit of apprehension. So I will share my experience of using AliExpress and the whole ordering system. But yeah, I am really pleased with this. It's gorgeous.